Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money on PayPal. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here you would need first to have your linked account or a linked bank account within your PayPal. So basically you can just go to your PayPal balance and from there make sure that you have a bank that is linked within your app. And basically from here, you can start sending payments or transferring funds to your bank account. So from here, you can see that you can transfer funds. So by clicking on transfer, you can just click on transfer to your bank. That means you can withdraw money from your PayPal and then do it or withdraw it to your bank account. So from here, I'm just going to click transfer to bank account and basically we need to already have your bank account that is added. And as you can see, you can just choose to your bank account and then you follow the instruction by adding the amount or choosing which bank account if you have many bank accounts that are linked to your account, etc. So from here, you can also withdraw money on the app by tap to your PayPal balance as we did here at the beginning. Either you can go to the wallet or just click on PayPal balance and from there just click on transfer money or transfer funds as we found it. So you can just click on send payments so you can transfer money out to your bank account or to any other options that you have depending on your application and the version that you are using. So basically you will need just to have your card or your bank account that is linked to PayPal and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.